Are you ready to unlock your creativity, dive into a whole new world, and maybe even change the gaming landscape as we know it? Hey everyone, I'm Justin, and this year I am extremely excited to be hosting the VR Jam 2023. It's going to be me, and together with Andrew and the legendary Valum, and trust me when I say this is going to be an experience you don't want to miss. This year is really just going to be the ultimate virtual reality game creation marathon. It's about turning your wildest gaming dreams into reality, a virtual reality, and we're doing this in just 7 days. So this game jam is going to take place over the course of an entire week. We're going to go Friday to Friday, and we are starting on June 23rd. And we'll give you a theme from there, and at that point, it's up to you to invent, design, and build a VR game that not only captures our imagination, but also pushes the boundaries of what's possible with VR. And what's the theme, you ask? Well, we're keeping that under wraps until the jam starts, but brace yourselves because it's going to be a surprise that will kick your creativity into overdrive. And I am super excited. I really hope you're excited. This is going to be super fun. It's been a minute since we've done a VR jam, and it's going to be pretty awesome. So if you're interested and you're excited about this jam, there is a link down in the description for you to secure your spot, and we will let you know what the theme is going to be on the day. So super excited for this VR Jam 2023, and let's make some sweet VR games together.